Hi, my name is Evan Malone White with Royal Industrial Solutions, part of the Industrial Solutions Network. Today I'm going to show you how to use the online chat when you have a techconnect contract. Open up your internet browser and log on to rockwellautomation.com. To get to your techconnect contract, go over to Support and select Knowledge-Based Support Center. At this time, it's either going to ask you to log in via a login page, create a new account, or it might already have you signed in. No matter what happens, get through that step and get to this page. When we get over here, we're going to go over to the Contact Us, and we're going to select Chat Online. It's the second one down. At this point, you can select your topic. So as an end user or an OEM or an SI, you're going to select any kind of topic you want. There's a bunch of different topics. Whatever you need support with, just select what you need. For me, I'm going to go select a distributor and just kind of show you a test trial of what happens. So I'm just going to select Contracted Services, Chat Now, and then a chat box is going to open up. This is going to connect you over to a Rockwell engineer, same engineers that you would call in using your phone support with the techconnect contract. So right now you can see I'm number one in the line, and I can start searching around for what I have an answer for. So if I type in micrologics, for example, and select search, it's going to open up another box and give me a bunch of different articles on micrologics. I'm just going to tell Brenda here that I am doing a training video. At this time, she'll be going through, giving any questions that you have. She'll start researching all your answers and giving you feedback on what your issue is. Like I said, you might even be able to find your answer before she even gets back to you with whatever information you had, if there's a pre-selected file or forum or any other kind of chat box that Rockwell's kind of created over the years. When it's all said and done, sign off and say thanks to your technician, and select Disconnect. When you close that window, it's going to send you a pre-automated email with your entire chat history. So if you have to go back and review the steps that the technician went over with you a few days later, you're going to have a full detailed report of that conversation to help you out in the future. Have a good day.